Hello there, beautiful humans. With America winning the World Cup, very big congratulations to them. Also, I've made this very beautiful decoration for USA. You can use it for a party decoration, for a birthday party, for Independence Day, 4th July, or like today for winning the World Cup, or any other occasion for winning any other sports. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful decoration. The first thing, I've made this party popper. To make this party popper, I took empty toilet paper roll. I used 3 pieces of paper, red, white and blue. I cut the upper section of the balloon and I am using it. I won't be needing the bottom part, I'm going to throw it away. And using the upper section, we'll secure it with tape. And then we'll secure the toilet paper and cover it with other colors of paper. For the next decoration, I took one red color A4 size paper. I folded the paper in 3 parts. I cut off the corners of it. And on the bottom side, I cut out a piece of triangle. Next, I took white paper. I made strips out of this white paper. Each strip is 2 centimeters in width. And I made multiple strips like that. And I pasted it on the red flag diagonally. And then I took blue paper in which I have written USA. And I cut it in size and pasted it onto the flag. For our next decoration, I have made stars like raindrops. For this decoration, I used the red paper, white paper and blue paper. I made stars on them and then I cut them out. I secured them with double-sided tape on a piece of thread and I hang them. And then the decoration fan, I used 3 pieces of paper, white, blue and red. I have folded them zigzag. I made zigzag folds on each 2 centimeters. I joined the 3 pieces together and then I cut them in the middle. By cutting them in the middle, I have 2 pieces of fan which I used on both sides of my decoration. On top of the fan, I made a star, a white star, and I put that. And lastly, I made the American flag. For this, I've used A4 size paper. I used white color, red color, and blue color. I used the blue color to make this small section. And on this, I used white paper to make the stars. I made 50 stars on them, representing 50 states of America, and also I made 7 lines with red paper which is present in the American flag. Let me know how you did like this DIY by commenting in the comment section below. Don't forget to check all my other videos. I'm sure you'll find very useful party decoration on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe.